Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Really glad to have you back. So in today's video I'm just going to show you how to make Ewa Agoyin beans. Earlier on I made a video on how to make Ewa Agoyin sauce, so this one is going to be the mashed beans which you serve Ewa Agoyin sauce over. So basically you need white beans for this. You can use honey beans, so I'll be using these white beans. So it's a very simple recipe. If you want to see how I make my mashed beans, which is Ewa Agoyin beans, you should watch this to the end as I show you how. So I'm going to bring the beans into a bowl. So I'm just going to add some water into the beans. I'm going to rinse the beans for 4 times. So I'm just going to wash the beans severally until the water becomes very clean. So you can just simply do this under running water. So this is the 4th time now. The water has become clear, so I'm just going to wash this directly into the pot. I use about 3 cups of beans, so I'm going to add water to slightly cover the beans, then place on heat to cook. So after 20 minutes of cooking the beans, I have to check back. It's still very strong. I'm going to leave this to cook until it becomes completely soft. Okay, so now I've cooked the beans for about an hour. So I'm just going to check the beans. I know they are completely soft. So you can see they are even breaking apart on their own. So this is just what you want. You're going to mash the beans right away. Right away you need a potato masher. You're going to use it to mash the beans. There's still liquid in the beans, but I'm just going to mash it like that. You're going to make sure you mash everything until you can no longer find a whole grain of beans in the pot. So after you've mashed this completely, you're going to season this with a little salt. You can add the salt before mashing it, or you mash it before adding the salt, whichever way. So I'm just going to keep mashing. So now after you're done, you're going to allow the beans to cook for a few minutes before you take it off from heat. So now I've left the beans to sit for 5 minutes. This is the texture I have. It comes out very thick and smooth. So I'm going to take this off from heat. Now your mashed beans, it's ready. So I'm just going to dish this into a plate and serve it the traditional way with the Ewa Agoyin sauce. So I'm just going to top this up with the sauce I made earlier on. Okay, there's a direct link in the description box showing how I make Ewa Agoyin sauce. I hope you click that. It will take you to where you can watch the sauce. So this is my simple recipe on how to prepare Ewa Agoyin beans. I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your effort. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye.